bagyo. And introduce to us kasi training in bagyo and it's boring if bagyo does not come and no electric, no water, and no signal.
Size po yun.
So, take note that
Parang long, short,
because
A4,
we need to be
A3.
safe.
Ito,
But
A4.
open your mic, okay? So
Parang
loud,
auto paper
so
ang
you
hindi
can
mo
hear me
sabihin.
and you can pray now.